and watch where we go. Help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let our minds free from discrimination be, even in times of great difficulties.
Happy morning, everyone.
Happy morning, ma'am.
So I can see all your excited faces for why we are one important thing that is happening in assembly today. So before the results of the student council election is announced, okay, now I would like to invite our principal ma'am, Joyita ma'am, to announce the results.
I request all of you to be good and respectful to yourself and to all the nominees, winners or people who have not won, to be very, very respectful and loving towards them. It's a group work exactly the way Diksha ma'am told. Alone leader cannot do much. So whole year you as the representative of your own house or the school child or the sports child, you need to remember. And remember that this year we are having the sports day also. So it is much more needed to understand the role of each one, the discipline and the rules and regulation to be followed from now on. I request the winning child to come here and stand so that everybody can congratulate. So from the houses, I would announce the winner. From Agni house, the winner is Disha. From Vayu house, the winner is Yashvardhan. From Jala house, the winner is Namita. Vanu house, the winner is Riya. Sports captains, the vice captain for sports is Vargav. And the sports captain boys goes to Pawan Nora. The vice sports captain for girls goes to Likita. The captain girls sports goes to Mania. The assistant school prefect is Viva. And the school captain is Chirantana. Congratulations to each one of you. The number of votes are really, really challenging. So I hope that all these winning people, winners, will take care of their responsibilities, understanding that how much they owe their winning to each one of you. Congratulations and have a wonderful, successful year ahead. Thank you.